Starting a gemstone business can be an exciting venture for those with a passion for precious stones and a keen eye for business opportunities. However, like any business, success requires careful planning, market research, and strategic execution. This video aims to provide a practical and detailed guide on how to start a gemstone business, covering essential steps from initial planning to establishing a strong market presence. Step 1. Research and education. Before diving into the gemstone business, it is crucial to acquire comprehensive knowledge about gemstones, their types, values, and market trends. Attend gemology courses, workshops, and seminars to understand the grading, identification, and evaluation processes. Develop expertise in distinguishing natural gemstones from synthetic ones, as authenticity is a key factor in the gemstone market. Stay updated on industry news, pricing trends, and emerging markets to make informed decisions. Step 2. Business plan development. Crafting a solid business plan is essential for the success of any venture. Define your business goals, target market, and unique selling proposition. Include a detailed financial plan that outlines initial investment requirements, operational costs, and revenue projections. Identify potential suppliers and establish relationships with reputable gemstone dealers. Clearly outline your marketing and sales strategies, considering both online and offline channels. Step 3. Legal compliance and licensing. Understand the legal requirements for operating a gemstone business in your jurisdiction. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits to ensure compliance with local and international regulations. Familiarize yourself with import-export laws, especially if dealing with gemstones from different countries. Establish a transparent and ethical supply chain to avoid legal complications and build trust with customers. Step 4. Establish an online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for the success of any business. Create a professional website showcasing your gemstone collection with high-quality images and detailed product descriptions. Utilize social media platforms to connect with potential customers, showcase your expertise, and build a brand presence. Implement secure online payment options to facilitate smooth transactions. Step 5. Networking and marketing. Building a network within the gemstone industry is vital for sourcing quality stones, finding potential buyers, and staying informed about market trends. Attend trade shows, join industry associations, and participate in networking events to connect with suppliers, collectors, and enthusiasts. Implement effective marketing strategies, such as search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, and targeted advertising, to increase visibility and attract customers. Conclusion. Starting a gemstone business requires a combination of passion, knowledge, and strategic planning. By thoroughly researching the industry, developing a comprehensive business plan, ensuring legal compliance, establishing a strong online presence, and building a network within the industry, aspiring entrepreneurs can lay a solid foundation for a successful gemstone business. With dedication and a commitment to quality, a gemstone business has the potential to thrive in a market driven by beauty, rarity, and craftsmanship.